Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, here's my current setup. So here we go. Bed, food, everything's got a place. Remember, when you're organized, everything's good. So underneath my bed, I have my clothes container, my little air cooler, my toilet, and my paper, my laundry bag behind the tissue there. Over here are cords, and that little see-through bin over there is like my little garage. My refrigerator's been working outstanding. I have my Jackery right here, middle console, plugged into the power on the post. As you can see, I have it going through my window, so in case it rains, I can shut the doors and whatnot. I don't have anything in the front seats. Like, again, I just bring what I need. That's my water storage up in the front. I don't bring things just in case I might need them. I only bring what I need. And everything has a place. So these are my dry goods over here, which is oatmeal, chicken broth, almond butter, some cauliflower stalks, a few vegetables are in there. And that's that. Those forager chips, those are my snacks. And yeah. So again, everything has a place. Let me take you around the back here. Anyhow, here's my kitchen. Got my pump there on my water. My extra canisters of gas underneath there. All my cooking things. My coffee's over there. And that's it. I mean, here's my little tiny trash can, which I bring in at nighttime and use in the evening. Here's where I sit and hang out. And those are my rocks over there. I went rock hunting this morning. It was pretty successful. As you can see, I have a laundry line over there. But it's pretty basic, pretty easy, simple setup. I'm content, so happy to be here, and enjoying myself. Here's the other side. You can see my cat litter back here. To that there, that is for my toilet, in case I have to use it. This is where I keep my shoes. And that's it. That little orange thing back there is the vacuum. Orange and black. Bag is my vacuum in case I spill or get sand or something all over the place. But all these rugs that you see here, I pretty much take out periodically and just shake them out. These are the best things. These are those super absorbent things. They absorb water and take loose dirt and gravel out of your shoes. I've got like 4 of these at my house. I took 2 of them just to keep in my van. But anyhow, yeah, this is the setup. I'm content, I'm comfortable, everything's got a place. And I'm happy to report all is well. It was about 73 degrees last night, so I had to have this fan running on high. I have it plugged in right now, just to keep air moving in the van. And I also had that cooler going last night, so if I didn't have those, oh my goodness, it would have been rough, because I only had my windows cracked a little bit, just to just vent the air and get good circulation and fresh air in here. But yeah, I wasn't too hot. I couldn't believe it. I was kind of worried about it. But anyhow, yeah. So this is it. My current setup. I'm satisfied, comfortable in here. All right, guys. I will catch you later. Just wanted to check in and make good on my promise that I would show you my current setup for my latest trip. All right. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, share. Everything I learn, I like to share with you, and in turn you can share with your friends. All right guys, have a super-duper day, and I'll catch you soon.